Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. And so guys, today I'm going to take you a step by step on how you can earn tons of dollar with Fiverr marketplace. Guys, as you all know, for you to get started in Fiverr, all you need to do is sign up an account for a seller account. Guys, list your gig and you will start receiving orders, guys. But today I'm going to show you how I did and how I become successful in Fiverr, guys. So before I open a seller account, I used to read a lot and research a lot, and they said that helped me to be successful on Fiverr is Black Hat Word, guys. There I came and I start researching on how you can be successful in Fiverr, and also how your gigs can rank, guys. So in order for you to start getting orders in Fiverr, all you need to do is create a gig and make sure the gig is ranked so that you can start receiving your orders, guys. So when I come through this website, I read that for you to rank your gig, all you need to do is tweet, and tweet will help you. Tweeting will just help you, guys, and it will rank your Fiverr, guys. So I did the same, and I write a meta description and describe my service, guys. The description should be short and brief, guys, so that the buyer can understand your service better, guys. So I came and I listed the gig. I make sure the gig are short, brief, guys, so that my buyers will understand my service better. So, and for sure it has helped me a lot. I'm going to show you how my gigs do perform at the end of the videos, guys. So if you want to start selling on Fiverr, guys, all you need to do, come to Black Hat Word, guys, and this site have a lot you can learn, and it will help you for sure. This site helped me a lot, and my gigs are ranked in Fiverr, guys. I won't say about the service that I offer or the niche, but as you can see, my first gigs, it has like 3.4k, and the impression, the clicks, and the orders, you can see even the percentage, guys. For more on how you can be earning online, just check the link at the description area below. Till next time, cheers, guys.